Hi guys! So for our geometry project, we're going to create a board game called Race to the Spaceship.
It is to help our learners learn 2D shapes.
And it is best to use to teach the Year 3 student aged 8 to 9 years old.
So the learning objectives of our board game is, by the end of playing this board game, we hope our students will be able to identify by naming 2D shapes,
Describe the property of 2D shapes,
Classify 2D shapes into groups based on similarities and differences.
For our base, I'm gonna be using this cupboard that Natalie found. Not sure where did she found it. Maybe at her house, rubbish bin, or supermarket. Let's hope it's from the supermarket because I don't want to touch dirty thing. Then, as you can see, I'm not really sure if we can make a premium board game out of this because there's holes. Oh my gosh. Oh, here. I tried my best to cover it up with tape. I know it's not really a premium kind of a word, but I tried my best. So what's my plan is, I told Nat that I will be pasting this on top of it, and then I will be coloring it with this paint that I've bought from 2016 foundation year for my CTS. I'm gonna be using this brush that I never really used anymore. I hope it's still good. It's kind of dirty, but I don't really care. Okay. And I really hope that I can use this any way possible because I don't really want to keep this anymore. It's been with me ever since CTS year. See, it's tore from the side, as you can see. I really want to get rid of it. It's been with me for more than 3 years now. Okay, let's hope for the best. So you can see all of our stuff are recycle or reusable. Natalie and Leah is currently printing pictures for our board game because I don't think it's possible for us to draw it out because we can't really draw. Yes, let's hope for the best. So as you can see, I'm out of newspaper. Therefore, I decided to use my housemate math paper. Yeah, math working paper. I went through my room and found some old A4 paper. So I used this A4 paper and I decided to stick at the back of the question paper, which looks so much better because I kind of used double tape and some dry UHU glue. Remember when I said I prefer cutting the question paper and sticking it to a colored paper? So that is what Leah is doing today, and Natalie is currently doing the dice. And I found this, the bottle cap for our token in the school recycling bin. I hope it's okay for me to get it from there. So this is so far our progress. You can see we use a combination of warm and bright as well as cool color to make our board games look vibrant. This decision is made after much consideration of our learners' age, as research has shown that different age groups can relate better to certain colors rather than others. We have also learned that color can influence learners' learning and working result both positively and negatively. The power of color can actually cause learners to become excitable and hyperactive, but it can also cause them to be bored and uninterested. Therefore, we have to be very careful with the color that we have chose.
Nat,
Yes.
is there a reason why our board game is so colorful?
Yes.
Alright, can you explain to us why it is as so? Alright.
We decided to paint our board game blue because we want to encourage our learners to learn and concentrate better while they play this game. Because studies have shown that blue is a color that promotes concentration. And we also use a combination of red and green for our question cards and also for our spinner. Because red is the most vibrant of all the colors that attracts students' attention, and it's a color that stimulates the adrenal gland and the neurons, while green is a color that brings calmness and elevates stress, as learning geometry may be stressful to some learners.
Oh wow, was it stressful to you when you were learning geometry?
Yes, very stressful.
Alright.
So that's why we choose to use all these colors for our board game, because studies have shown that these are the colors that attract students at this age group the most.
Ah, I see. So the learning theory we choose to support our board game is behaviorist theory. So why behaviorist theory, right? It's because behaviorist theory talks about positive and negative reinforcement and punishment. So for our board game, we use only two of it, which is positive reinforcement and positive punishment. So we all know that positive means giving, right? So for positive reinforcement, we will use in terms of when our learners have rolled the dice and answered the question, and if they get the question correct, they can stay where they are. So this will be a positive reinforcement for them because it gives them motivation to like continue on with the game because it's a prize for them. But for positive punishment, so for example, they roll the dice, and then when they answered the question they got it wrong, they have to move back where they came from. So for example, maybe the previous position they were at is maybe this circle, which is a non-polygon. So you see how much they have to move back. So to them, this is a punishment. So we're giving them punishment, which means it is a positive punishment. And also, because you see here, we have to start from this rocket. We move down the board game until we reach Carol. No, just kidding. We reach this rocket over here. Yes, correct, Carol. Thank you. Oh, what is that? Oh, okay. So because we asked them to reach this rocket, so it's a positive reinforcement also because we are motivating them to finish the board game to reach this rocket first. All right. And also, our board game uses Van Hill's geometric thinking levels. We use, so that's actually 5 stages, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But because this board game is suited for primary school learners, so we use only the first 3. So level 0, level 1, level 2. And for level 0, we usually ask them questions about like what are the names, what is the name of this shape, or what are the names of these shapes. So these are some of the cards. So you can see them later on in the video. So there's more in the paper bag there. Okay, so that's the dice. Alright, and then for level 1, we will ask them the characteristics of the shapes in the questions. And then for level 2, we'll ask them to see the relationships between the shapes. Right, Carol? Yes.
So we are very smart. Hey guys, so this is the end product of our board game. As you can see, we added some last minute changes such as the stickers and the space theme graphic design. This is so that the board game is more attractive to the learners. By the way, these board games come with 4 different colored tokens, spinners, and also 2 different colored question cards. So these board games also come with a dice. Can you show them all of the sides? Non-polygon, roll again, irregular polygon, polygon, skip a turn, and another skip a turn. Our board games also come with a booklet. Leah, can you explain more about the booklet?
Alright, so in this booklet, it has the instructions to how to play the board game, and also it has Carol is making funny faces behind that. It also has the answers to the questions from the cards.
So guys, we have come to the end of our videos.
We hope our board game can help your learners learn 2D chess more effectively.
So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also comment in the comment section below.
And I hope to see you again. Bye!